Turkish Food Party, a tasty trip to Turkey. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going on a yummy adventure to Turkey, a place famous for its awesome culture and super cool food. Get ready for a world of great tastes, nice smells, and yummy dishes that will make you want more. From the busy streets of Istanbul to the sunny beaches of the Aegean Sea, Turkish food is all about fresh stuff, old ways of cooking, and lots of love. So get ready to explore the magic of Turkish food with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yummy videos. Chapter 1. Turkish food is a mix of cooking styles from Central Asia, the Middle East, and the Balkans. This unique blend of culinary traditions has created a rich and diverse food culture that is both flavorful and deeply rooted in history. Each region of Turkey brings its own special touch to the table, making Turkish cuisine a delightful journey through different tastes and textures. This makes it super special and tasty. Imagine savoring a dish that combines the aromatic spices of the Middle East, the hearty flavors of the Balkans, and the fresh ingredients of Central Asia. It's a culinary experience like no other, where every bite tells a story of cultural fusion and tradition. For a long time, Turkey has been like a bridge between the East and the West, and its food shows that. The country's strategic location has allowed it to absorb and integrate various culinary influences, resulting in a cuisine that is both diverse and harmonious. From the bustling streets of Istanbul to the serene villages in Anatolia, Turkish food reflects the country's rich cultural tapestry. One cool thing about Turkish food is that it uses fresh ingredients that are in season. This commitment to freshness ensures that every dish is bursting with flavor and nutrition. Whether it's the vibrant colors of fresh vegetables or the succulent taste of ripe fruits, Turkish cuisine celebrates the bounty of each season. From juicy tomatoes and crunchy cucumbers to yummy lamb and fresh seafood, the variety of ingredients used in Turkish cooking is truly impressive. Each ingredient is carefully selected to enhance the overall taste and texture of the dish, creating a harmonious balance of flavors that is both satisfying and delightful. Turkish cooks love using the best stuff to make their dishes. They take great pride in their culinary heritage and strive to preserve traditional cooking methods while also embracing modern techniques. This dedication to quality and authenticity is what makes Turkish food so special and beloved by people all over the world. Another thing that makes Turkish food special is the spices. These aromatic and flavorful spices are the heart and soul of Turkish cuisine, adding depth and complexity to every dish. The careful blending of spices is an art form in itself, passed down through generations of cooks and chefs. Good-smelling cumin, turmeric, paprika, and sumac are just some of the spices that make Turkish food taste so good. Each spice brings its own unique flavor and aroma, creating a symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. The use of these spices not only enhances the flavor of the food, but also adds a touch of warmth and comfort to every meal. But Turkish food is more than just ingredients. It's about family, friends, and sharing a meal together. The act of eating is a communal experience in Turkey, where meals are enjoyed with loved ones and often last for hours. This sense of togetherness and hospitality is at the heart of Turkish culture and is reflected in every meal. Whether it's a simple breakfast or a big feast, Turkish food is made with love. The care and attention that goes into preparing each dish are evident in the final product, making every meal a labor of love. From the first bite to the last, you can taste the passion and dedication that Turkish cooks put into their food. So, let's check out some of the most famous Turkish dishes. From the savory kebabs and delectable baklava to the diverse array of meze, Turkish cuisine offers something for everyone. Each dish is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Turkey and a celebration of its vibrant food culture. So, get ready to embark on a delicious journey through the world of Turkish cuisine. Chapter 2. You can't talk about Turkish food without talking about the Spice Bazaar. This iconic market is a feast for the senses and a must-visit for anyone who loves food and culture. Imagine a place with bright colors, amazing smells, and lots of sounds. The Spice Bazaar is a kaleidoscope of vibrant hues and intoxicating aromas that captivate your senses the moment you step in. Big piles of red paprika next to piles of yellow turmeric, and the air smells like cinnamon, cloves, and cumin. Each spice is meticulously arranged, creating a visual and olfactory symphony. This is the Spice Bazaar, where you find all sorts of spices, herbs, and other cool things for cooking. From the common to the exotic, the variety here is simply astounding. Turkish cooks love using spices, and the Spice Bazaar is where they get the best ones. It's a place where tradition meets culinary innovation, and every spice tells a story. From cumin to sumac, each spice makes Turkish food taste amazing. These spices are the heart and soul of Turkish cuisine, adding depth and richness to every dish. Walk around the stalls, talk to the friendly sellers, and smell all the good smells. The vendors are passionate about their products and eager to share their knowledge and stories with you. And don't be afraid to try something new. Sampling the spices is an adventure in itself, offering a taste of the rich culinary heritage of Turkey. You might find your new favorite spice. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a curious traveler, the Spice Bazaar promises a sensory journey that you'll never forget. Chapter 3. Get ready for a food adventure with meze, a bunch of small dishes that show how cool and different Turkish food is. Imagine a table full of colorful, tasty little bites. There's creamy hummus, smoky eggplant salad, tangy kachik, yogurt with cucumbers and herbs, and yummy stuffed grape leaves. And that's just the start. Meze is all about trying different tastes, from creamy to tangy. It's all about fresh food and good spices. Whether you're eating with friends or having a fancy dinner, meze is a great way to start your Turkish food journey. Chapter 4. Turkish Kebab. Meat Party. Let's talk about Turkish kebab, something everyone knows. It's a dish that has traveled across borders and found a place in the hearts of food lovers worldwide. When you think of Turkish food, kebab is probably what you think of first. It's iconic, representing the rich culinary heritage of Turkey. But Turkish kebab is more than just grilled meat. It's like art, a celebration of taste. Each kebab tells a story of tradition, culture, and passion for food. Imagine yummy pieces of lamb, chicken, or beef, soaked in yogurt, herbs, and spices. The marination process is crucial, as it infuses the meat with flavors that are both bold and subtle. The meat goes onto skewers and is grilled over hot coals, making it crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The grilling process is an art in itself, requiring skill and precision. The smell alone makes you hungry, but the real magic is when you take a bite. The aroma of the grilling meat, mixed with the spices, creates an irresistible invitation to indulge. The meat is so tasty, a little smoky, and it melts in your mouth. Each bite is a burst of flavors, a perfect balance of smokiness, tenderness, and spice. You can eat it in pita bread with rice and veggies, or just by itself. The versatility of Turkish kebab makes it a favorite for many, as it can be enjoyed in various ways. Turkish kebab is super good. It's not just a meal, it's an experience, a journey through the rich flavors and traditions of Turkish cuisine. Chapter 5. Turkish breakfast. Wake up to yummy. Get ready for the best breakfast ever, Turkish style. Turkish breakfast isn't just a bowl of cereal, it's a big deal. A celebration of fresh, tasty food that will get you ready for the day. Imagine a table full of colorful dishes. There's fresh bread, still warm, ready for butter, cheese, and sweet fruit jams. You'll also find olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, and other fresh veggies. And you can't forget menemen, eggs cooked with tomatoes, peppers, and onions with yummy spices. Whether you're eating at home or at a cafe, Turkish breakfast is something you have to try. Chapter 6. Simit, the street food king. Let's go to the streets of Turkey and try simit, a popular street food that's everywhere. Imagine the smell of fresh bread, leading you to a cart full of golden rings. This is simit, a round bread covered in sesame seeds that's crispy and chewy. Simit is best eaten fresh, still warm in your hands. The sesame seeds make it crunchy, and the bread is a little salty and yummy. Whether you need a quick breakfast, a snack, or just something tasty, simit is perfect. Chapter 7. Lahmacun, Turkish pizza. Get ready for lahmacun, a thin, crispy flatbread with minced meat, veggies, and spices. It's like Turkish pizza, and it's a street food favorite. Imagine a thin, crispy dough, baked until it's golden brown. The dough is covered with minced meat, usually lamb or beef, chopped tomatoes, onions, peppers, and spices. The lahmacun is baked in a hot oven until it's perfect. Then it's rolled up and served with lemon juice, fresh herbs, and yogurt. It tastes amazing. Get ready for baklava, a super sweet pastry that looks as good as it tastes. Layers of flaky dough, chopped nuts, and sweet syrup make it a sweet dream. Imagine thin sheets of dough, brushed with butter and layered on top of each other. Between each layer are chopped nuts like pistachios or walnuts. The whole thing is baked until golden. Then it's covered in sweet syrup, usually with honey or lemon, which makes it melt in your mouth. Cool down with ayran, a refreshing yogurt drink that everyone in Turkey loves. It's made with yogurt, water, and salt, and it's tangy, a little salty, and super refreshing. It's perfect with any Turkish meal. Imagine a tall glass of creamy, bubbly white drink. The yogurt makes it tangy, the water makes it the right thickness, and the salt makes it taste even better. Ayran is not only tasty, but you can drink it by itself, with spicy food, or even use it in soups and sauces. Let's learn about Turkish coffee and tea. These are more than just drinks. They're part of Turkish culture. First, Turkish coffee. Imagine a small, pretty cup filled with strong, good-smelling coffee, with a little foam on top. It's made with finely ground coffee beans, cooked slowly in a special pot, and served strong. It usually comes with a sweet treat, like Turkish delight or baklava. Now, Turkish tea. Imagine a clear, tulip-shaped glass of hot amber tea. It's strong black tea, served in small glasses. Whether you like strong coffee or warm tea, these drinks are a big part of Turkish culture. Thanks for joining me on this Turkish food journey. From kebabs and lahmacun to baklava, Turkish food is amazing. I hope you want to try some of these dishes now. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos about food from around the world. Tell us in the comments which Turkish food you want to try first.